Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham. Today I'm here to walk you around this 2020 ex-Caterham Academy car. Let's have a look together. So this Academy car was used in the 2020 season. It is currently race ready, so it can be taken to the track as it is. Some of the features on this one, you do get the wrap. Underneath you also do get the aluminium bodywork. It's finished in gravity black on the nose cone, the wings at the front and the rear ones. So being an ex-Academy car, it does have the 1.6 Ford Sigma engine, currently restricted to 125 brake horsepower, and it is on the Avon Academy tyres. Now this one has just done under 5,000 miles and has had 3 owners in total. So this Caterham has the 13-inch Apollo wheels finished in silver. You also do get your side exit exhaust. As part of the spec, you do also include the battery muster cut-off switch, and you also get the windscreen mounted mirrors. Some of the upgrades include the full rear view mirror, which is part of the Academy upgrade. So once you've got the car built, you can opt to upgrade a few bits in them to make it easier for your racing. And it does also come with the hood and side screens. So moving on to the interior, we do have the plumbed in fire extinguisher handle. You also do get the Momo quick release steering wheel. And as part of having the Academy upgrade, you can get the FIA approved fog light, which can be controlled from the switch on here. You get the composite bucket seats with the 4-point harness, and you can have the 5-point harness if you wanted to. But this one is a great example and is mechanically sound and ready for track use. So thank you for watching. If this car is of interest to you, please do give us a call. All our details are listed down below in the description.